Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Located 68 kilometers south of Peace River, Falher is affectionately known as the honey capital of Canada. Origins trace back to 1912, when the colony of Saint Jean-Baptiste Falher was established. Named after the French missionary, Father Constant Falher, the community steadily grew, eventually splitting into the village of Donnelly and the town of Falher. In 1919, Joseph Lemire and his family became instrumental in Falher's development, purchasing land for their home and a sawmill. With 42% of its population speaking French, the town boasts a vibrant francophone culture. Long before surveys, Falher's fertile land attracted attention. Father Constant Falher, fluent in Cree, dubbed the area the happy hunting ground of Indigenous peoples. The arrival of the railway in 1915 spurred economic growth, fueled by the region's abundant fox population. The establishment of the Falher Consolidated School District and Parish St. Anne in 1919 marked a turning point. The town's first post office opened in 1923 under the helm of P.N. Blaze. From its modest beginnings as a hamlet, Falher gained village status in 1929 before becoming a fully incorporated town in 1955. As Falher looks back on over 100 years of rich history and cultural diversity, the town's tenacity and community spirit continue to shape its identity. Falher stands as a testament to its values, honoring the past while embracing future opportunities. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share the video with friends or family members who you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.